Hello math class. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply and divide rational expressions, starting with how to multiply them. I've written the steps down there for you. So the first thing we're going to do is factor both numerators and both denominators, find the non-permissible values from those denominators, cancel anything you can, so those are identical terms you see on the top and bottom, and then you just bring numerators and denominators together. I think it'll make more sense with an example. So I've set this one up for us. I'm just going to follow the steps. So the first thing we need to do is factor our numerators and our denominators. So let's work on that. I'm going to start with 2x plus 8. I can factor a 2 out of both of those terms, and I'll be left with x plus 4. The denominator is just going to stay x plus 1. No factoring can happen there. Similarly, on the other side, this x minus 1, there's nothing we can do with that. But the denominator looks like we can pull out a 3x. And I'm left with x plus 4. Okay? So now we need to look at our denominators to find non-permissible values. I'm going to do that over here. Any denominator equaling 0 will be a non-permissible. So I'll start with x plus 1. That's going to tell me that x is not allowed to be negative 1, right? If we subtract 1 from both sides. This denominator is going to give us two little equations to solve. If either of those terms equals 0, that denominator equals 0. First one, divide by 3 on both sides. 0 divided by 3 gives us that 0. And then we have this x plus 4, but we know what to do. Subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, so we get three non-permissible values in this example. Let me move this up for us. We're not done simplifying though. The next step was to cancel anything you can. Some people like to bring everything together and then cancel. But if you notice, I got an x plus 4 here, an x plus 4 in brackets here. Those are identical terms. We're going to be able to cross those off. Okay? What I'm left with in the numerators is 2 times x minus 1. Okay? What I'm left with in the denominators, I got an x plus 1 times a 3x. When I have a binomial, I like to put that in brackets, and that's kind of the accepted thing to do. So I'm actually going to put the 3x in front of x plus 1 in brackets. That's actually our solution. We can't do any more with that. Okay, the full solution is this, with these as non-permissible values. In the next video, I'll set up a couple more examples.